First of all, take your butter and then add to your butter our sugar. Then with a large spoon or a spatula, what we want to do is we want to beat all of that together until it forms a paste. You know you need to get those calories going, burn those calories off, because when you eat one of these you're going to need a bit of exercise. Then next we're going to add our 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Closely followed by a 175 self-raising flour, and then just give that a quick mix. Next is our 2 spoons of black treacle. This really gives us our toffee-like flavour into our pudding. Next goes in our 2 eggs. Then give it a quick mix. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add our sticky, datey, gloopy goodness into it. Mix all that together and try not to spill any of it over the surface. Then we go in with our milk, just a bit at a time. Make sure everything's mixed up, then the last of the milk goes in, and we're nearly there. There you go, the hard part's over. We're all ready to start putting into our cases. It was the best thing for the job. Make about 11 or 12 out of these, and we're going to do a couple of styles. So we're going to change these from sticky toffee to some pecan and banana sticky toffee. So this gives some added richness with a bit of crunch with the nuts. So just add a couple of nuts to each, and then slice up some banana, and we're going to put a couple of slices of banana in each of the muffins. Okay, lovely. Then we're going to pop them into the oven at 200 degrees C for about 25 minutes, or until a knife comes out clean. So for the sauce you're going to need 25 grams of butter, 100 mils of double cream, 100 grams of light muscovado sugar, and 1 spoon of treacle, the black stuff. Got the treacle in some warm water here just to help you get it out. That will loosen it up a bit. So there we go. Can we go with our treacle? Lovely. This adds a lovely flavour to our sauce. So all we're going to do is just give that a stir now. Then pop it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. Once it comes out, just stir it to get all the remaining butter gone. And there you have it. There is your sticky toffee sauce ready to serve. Alternatively, you can boil this in a pan as well. So serve with some ice cream, and then pop over some of that gorgeous toffee sauce all over the top, as much as you like. Dribble it all on. What more could you want? Apart from a bit more toffee sauce. Oh yes.